Hey guys, welcome back to Driving TV. This is Caby. I'm so sorry. I know it has been forever since I last posted a video. I went traveling, and while I was traveling, I got a cold, and I'm right now just recovering from that cold. My voice has been crazy, and my throat and everything. So I'm trying to recover so I can get back on posting. I do have something for you guys that I will be posting. Hope you guys like it. I'm not gonna reveal what it is. But I decided that I wanted to give you guys a little update. You know, post a video, just let you know what's happening, what's going on. Like a little vlog thing. I want to say thank you very much, all of my subscribers, for all the feedback and all the love that I get. I know that you guys are always very helpful with your comments and very kind, and I love knowing that I'm helping many people and just making it easier for them, right? I have plans, new plans for this channel. I'm always going to keep the tutorial going. I'm always going to be giving you guys what you need, that's for sure, because I love helping you guys. But I do have a little plan, something new coming up. I would love to know the feedback. See if you guys would like that type of content. That is not like focused on driving tutorials. I'm going to keep focusing on the driving tutorial, but I want to add a little bit of other things to the channel, and I would love the feedback from you guys. It's just like an idea to see like if you guys like that. But that's for later. I'm not gonna reveal anything yet. Just keep yourself tuned in so you guys can know what's up, notification bell on. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because I am wanting to open like a group chat where I can do questions and answers, and also post a lot of things that might help you guys best prepare for that driver's examination and the road test and all of that, and just getting your license and anything that you might need. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram. You can find my Instagram on my page. But if you don't know, it's at It's Driving TV. All right, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Be prepared, because a lot of good stuff are coming. Love you guys very much, and see you soon.